I haven't really posted any long form content for a while, but I'm gonna start doing it again. It's the way that I learned, and I really want to help other people learn through these long form videos. They take a lot of time with everything that I've got going on. It is on the back burner, but I am going to start posting more. One of the reasons why I wanted to get on YouTube is to, one, help as many people as possible. It's the way that I learned how to invest in real estate. It's my go-to anytime I have questions and I want to be a resource. I've learned a lot of information that, you know, it was through conversations that I believe I can help people if they watch my videos, and I need to learn how to actually express those in a lot better way. So I'm putting a little bit more effort into those videos to be able to do that. But I also want to do it because it puts me out of my comfort. I really I don't like doing things when the idea that I have in my head doesn't turn into what I'm expecting. So I really would like good quality videos and good content. And truth be told, I'm not the best editor. I'm not the best filmer. I don't have the best equipment. And I understand that comes with time, but I always have a vision in my head and I like to see that come true. With real estate, I'm able to do that. I'm able to take a property that is trash and turn it into something that's really, it looks good. And I'm trying to do that with social media and it just doesn't click, but I'm going to keep on working on it. So, what I'm doing right now is I've got to focus on actually putting out some really good content for you guys in regards to real estate and things that are just going on. It's a little bit difficult finding topics. I've learned a lot over the years of doing real estate. It's a completely different concept trying to come up with ideas and how to formulate those ideas and put them into a 10-12 minute video. And so I am actually working very hard on building those concepts and putting them down on paper, being able to formulate what I actually want to talk about, and then also feeling natural when I talk to the camera. I am not someone that likes to be in front of the camera, so this is not fun, especially when it doesn't turn out how I would like it to turn out. But I am gonna do it. I need to do it, and I know I can help a lot of people out there, so it's my responsibility to be able to do it. If you are interested in real estate, you're going to want to stay tuned. I'm going to try and give you as much information as possible. I've been able to substantially grow my real estate portfolio since even since I began this channel. My portfolio has almost doubled since then. So closing in on around about $2 million worth of real estate, and we'll probably close on that by the end of this year, if not by the beginning of next year. So I really want to take you guys on the journey. We're taking this really big project on the quadplex, letting that go through. I'm not raising a whole lot of money at the moment. And so we are just using our own finances, which I think most people out there are actually probably going to do. You don't need to go raise a butt ton of money to be able to go and buy real estate. It does help. I have raised money. I have brought in investors, but it brings on a whole level of stress and a whole level of risk that you can risk your relationships. You can risk someone else's money. There's plenty of issues with raising money, but it does get you to your goal faster. I am not raising money at the moment unless I feel like there's a deal that is worthy of me raising money. So I am going a little bit slower, which means that I'm more specific about the deals that I do take on. Um, I'm okay. I'm okay going slow. I've got the cash flow. I've got the deals that keep on coming in, and I'm being very selective, especially in this economy. I think it's wise to be selective, and I do have investors on the sideline ready to invest if there's a deal that needs to come. But I guess that answers a little bit of where I've been at and what I'm doing. And I hope you guys stick with me. I hope you ask questions, comment, like. I really want you guys to feel like when you come across one of my videos that you've learned something. And I'm gonna start putting out some really good content. I think you guys will like it. If you find any value from my content, go watch the old stuff. Give it a like, give it a share, give it a follow, and I look forward to seeing you guys more